eggs. Considered by some to be a perfect protein, eggs are an affordable and really easy way to get protein all week long. Today I'm gonna make some egg muffins. They're only muffins because they're in a muffin tin. They're really just like mini quiches and they're crazy easy. Let's do this. You wanna start by choosing a vegetable, any vegetable to put in your egg muffins. I'm doing some colorful orange and red peppers today, chopped really small. You don't want a big piece of pepper when you bite into your egg, but you could easily do some sauteed spinach, teeny tiny pieces of broccoli. Think about what you like in your quiche and choose some veggies for that. We've got a little bit of cheese to give it some creaminess. And then if you want to add more protein, I have some sausages today. These are just some basic breakfast sausage patties. If they didn't come in a patty, you could just cook it up in a skillet and get little crumbles, which would be ideal. But we're gonna cut them small, just like our peppers, so that they're delicious. Perfect size for our tiny little egg muffins. Get yourself a big old bowl because you need about 12 eggs to make 12 egg muffins. You could add a splash of cream or milk here, but since we're adding cheese and so many other ingredients, I just don't see the need. Generously salt your eggs. Eggs and salt are friends. And you could give it some black pepper here too. Let's assemble our egg muffins. Get a standard muffin tin. I've got a silicone one here. I like to cover the bottom of each egg cup with the veggie as a general rule of thumb. Egg muffins assembled. Veggie, meat, eggs, bake. 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. It really depends on your oven and how much stuff you packed into the egg cups. Check them at the 20-minute mark though. I'm gonna pop these in the oven and I'll see you in 20 to 25 minutes. So the eggs cooked for about 25 minutes and come take a peek. Look how pretty this one came out. Maybe it's stuck a little bit, but that little egg muffin there, let's open it up. Tender and soft. Baked egg is always so creamy, look at that. All of the fillings rose to the top, that's why they kind of bubbled up. But this egg muffin is ready to be eaten fresh, certainly, or popped in the refrigerator. It'll last 3, 4, 5 days even. Just wrap it in a paper towel, put it in the microwave for 30, 45 seconds to warm it back up again, and you can eat it on your way to work if you want. They also freeze beautifully. Just pull them back out to defrost them and reheat them the exact same way. So what do you think? Eggs for you in a muffin? Thanks for watching.